In order to send a message on your iPhone without cellular service or Wi-Fi connection, you have to do a couple of things, and this may come in handy for you if you're ever stranded or if there is a weather emergency or whatever it may be. So what you'll want to do is make sure you've updated your phone. Always stay up to date to the newest version of iOS. This works in iOS 18 and beyond, so you should be good if that's where you are. And what you want to do is you want to go and navigate to your settings on your iPhone. And then once here under settings, scroll down to where you see the apps section there. It should be at the very bottom or towards the bottom. And then just scroll to the M's to get over to the Messages app right here. Tap into the Messages app and then scroll down here under the Messages settings. And right here where it says Message via Satellite, it says Satellite Connection Demo. It's a blue link there. Tap into Message via Satellite. And then what you can see here is there's an option that says Satellite Connection Demo. You want to tap on that button there, and then it will temporarily turn off your cellular service. Obviously, if it's the case of you're trying to get access to this, it's probably already off. But for me in the video here, I'll need to turn that off. And then what you want to do is you want to go outside and get a clear view of the sky. Make sure you move around to where you're in an open space, and make sure there's nothing blocking you like trees or terrain, and it will try to connect to a satellite. I'm obviously inside now, and it will allow you to send out messages via the satellite connection signal, right? So I'm going to go ahead and end this now, and I'm going to go ahead and go to End Demo right here. And it will begin to tell you, hey, turn right, turn left to better connect to the satellite, and you should be able to send and receive messages with no service, whether it be cellular or Wi-Fi. If I end the connection demo here, I'll see a couple of things that I can do. I can try to connect to a satellite again. If I tap on try to connect to a satellite, just like I did there, go directly into connecting via satellite. And there's also another feature as well that will allow you to directly connect to the satellites. If you go to your phone app here and you start typing in an emergency number, I have service right now. But if I didn't, it would pop up. And if I go here where it says try emergency SOS, you can see right here that if an iPhone detects that there's no service here, after you dial an emergency services number, a new button will appear that will allow you to start a satellite connection and open up that satellite demo page where you can go and find an area where you can easily and quickly connect to satellite. That's it. That's how you send messages on your iPhone without having cell service or a Wi-Fi connection. I hope this really helps someone at some point in time. Talk to you guys in the next video.